Now that we have our selection ready, it's time that we do something with it. So what we're looking to do here is to make a copy of just the background layer. We can achieve this by going Layer, New, Layer via Copy. What this creates is a copy of just the background. And if we look carefully, we can see how precise a selection we've made. So there's no stray hairs, no bits of hands or fingers coming off the sides. All we've got is the background. So what we're looking to do here is use one of the filters in order to fix this problem. Now, we've got our background here, and we want to try and replace that, or at least in some way fix it so that we're not likely to notice it. If we were to add a new background, so if I control click this and then make a new solid color layer, it doesn't blend very well. The colors don't work. We have these ragged edges at the side here. So what we want to try and do is we want to try and preserve the colors as much as possible, and what better way to do that than by preserving the original image. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the blur tool. So we've got our filter option here. We go down to blur, and what we're looking to do is use what's called the Gaussian blur. Now, this is a tremendously useful blur tool, and so it's one that I would advise out of all of these options, this is the one that you want to select. So when you click that, a dialog box pops up, and you're given this option on how much you want to blur it. Now, if you untick the preview window, then it won't make the change until your final selection, which can be very, very useful if you're trying to preserve memory on an old computer. But if you've got the power on your computer, I would recommend using this. So as you raise the blur, you can see instantaneously how it affects the image. And what we're looking to do is just blur it enough so that the background disappears, which tends to happen maybe around about 100 pixels. So we click OK, and there we have it. We've blurred our background.